Here is another amazing video, and we are going to learn strategy to find square root of such numbers. 19 plus 6 square root 2. Now you can also find a general solution for what is the square root of p plus 2 square root q after looking at the solution of this particular problem. So I hope that'll be very useful for many of my viewers. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Those who want to learn directly from me, feel free to send email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top. Here, we'll try to solve this question 19 plus 6 square root 2. We are actually finding square root of this number. So the question here is, what is the square root of 19 plus 6 square root 2? That is what we are interested in finding. Now, a very simple substitution right in the beginning will give you a clue how to solve such problems easily. So, the square root of such numbers is of the form square root of a plus square root of b. Now, once you write that the square root of this is this, then, well, square both sides, right? So, square both sides. So, if you square both sides, what do you get? Well, what you get is 19 plus 6 square root 2 equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Square of square root a is a plus 2 times square root ab plus b. Now, once you get this equation, you can equate the irrational numbers with the irrational numbers and rational numbers with the rational numbers. What I'm trying to say here is that 19 is equal to a plus b, right? And 6 square root 2 should be equal to 2 square root ab. So that gives you two different equations. Now, 6 square root 2 can be squared, and then you can find what AB is, right? So if you square 6 square root 2 equals to 2 square root AB, you get 36 times 2 as 72, right? Equals to 4AB. Or dividing by 4, you get the value of what is AB, right? So AB will be 4 times 1 and 8. 18 is AB. On the other hand, we have A plus B as 19. So what we can do here is that just substitute some values and get our result, right? So let me do it on the right hand side. When I say 18 is AB, then I can write B is equal to 18 over A. So B is 18 over A. Substituting this in our equation, which is 19 equals to A plus B, we get a quadratic equation, right? So we can now rewrite this as 19 equals to A plus, instead of B, I'm writing 18 over A. Multiplying by A, we get 19A equals to A square plus 18. Bringing all the terms together, we get A square plus, rather, minus 19A, I'll write first, quadratic equation in correct order, plus 18 equals to 0. We need to get product of 18, sum of minus 19. So we can factor this as a minus 18 times a minus 1 equals to 0. So we get the value of a as 18 or a is equal to 1. So these are the two possible values of a. Substituting this value of a, we can find the value of b, right? So clearly, if I substitute a as 1, then b is equal to what? So if I take a as 1, in that case b is 18. And therefore, we can write down that the square root of this is 1 plus square root of 18. Now, square root of 18, because it is square root a plus square root b, you can write like this, right? Doesn't matter. Is equals to 1 plus 18 is 9 times 2. So 3 square root. So 1 plus 3 square root 2 is one of our answers. The other one, if you put a as 18, then you get b. So it is the same answer. So basically, the square root of this is equal to 1 plus 3 square root 2. So I hope you have understood the method completely. Now, applying this strategy, you can also find a general solution for a problem which is like p plus 2 square root cube. So you could write p plus 2 square root cube, right? And square root of all this as equal to square root of a plus square root of b, right? When you square, you get p plus 2 square root cube equals to a plus 2 square root of ab plus b. So basically you get two equations. One is a plus b equals to p, and the other one is that q equals to ab, right? So basically we are solving this equation. You understand? To get the square root of p plus 2 square root cube. So I hope that makes sense, right? So that actually helps you to solve many equations. Now, remember one thing, that you could always write p plus or minus 2 square root cube as equal to square root of a plus or minus square root of b. So that becomes the key for solving such problems. I hope this concept is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. And in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your time and all the best.